Data visualization and distant reading with Clio-X. After completing your compute job, navigate to Use Cases and select Email Text Analysis Visualization. If you are logged into your MetaMask wallet, you will see your completed compute job. Select the job you want to visualize and click Add. For security of your data output, you'll need to sign with your private key to add each visualization. After you've finished signing, your data will be added to the VizHub. You will be able to see visualizations showing distribution of emails over time. Click on the visualizations if you want to expand them. You can also explore the sentiment of emails over time. From the slider below the main visualization, you can select time periods of interest to take a closer look and view sentiment details showing the words determining positive, neutral, or negative sentiment. You can also use the Clio-X word cloud visualizer to explore your data. Customize your word cloud by adding or deleting words in a stop list. Use the sliders at the top to control the frequency and number of words displayed. A final summary provides you with an overview of the key features of your data corpus. And that's how to VizHub with Clio-X. We welcome your questions and feedback.